What's up guys, today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install SuperATV's bed enclosure on this POLARIS RZR Pro R. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the two fasteners here. If you don't have a cargo box, these will be T40s. If you do have a SuperATV cargo box like us, they will be 10 millimeters. Go ahead and remove that hardware, set it aside. And then we're going to go into the bed. And on the side of the bed rail here, there is a T40. There'll be one on that side as well as this side. We'll remove the hardware and set it aside momentarily. Remove that hardware, set it aside. And we're going to grab our bed enclosure. We're going to get it installed. If you do not have a SuperATV cargo box, then right here you will be utilizing the factory hardware. If you are using a SuperATV cargo box, you will use the hardware that is provided in that kit. Just get it lined up, get it started, and then we're going to run it down. We're not going to fully tighten it. We're just going to get it good and started. So right there, it still moves. We just want to get it good and started. Next, we're going to take our bracket and take the provided bolt in the kit. It'll be the only bolts provided in this kit. Just go ahead and get it started into our bracket. It is threaded. So we're going to take our shim, put it on the back side of this bracket, and slide our T40 Torx through the bracket and then through the shim and then into the factory hole. Let's go ahead and get that good and started as well. And then repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Once you have all your hardware started, go ahead and fully tighten all the hardware. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's bed enclosure on this POLARIS RZR Pro R. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.